Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to hide your taskbar. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to reopen OBS so you guys can see it all from a proper screen of mine. Okay, give it a couple seconds to figure itself out. Okay, now that we're good, you just want to go to your display capture, right click it, go to transform, go to edit transform, and then change this bottom to 58 pixels, not 580, 58. So we're going to go ahead and click right there. And then now this is going to go ahead and get rid of your taskbar like so. And then you could just go ahead and make it bigger, kind of line it up, make sure you got everything all nice and pretty like so. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.